You've searched and searched for the perfect vehicle, and you found it. Your new Volkswagen. It's everything you wanted in an automobile. For you, it's perfect. Life, on the other hand, can be complicated, and taking care of your vehicle should be simple. Volkswagen's Prepaid Maintenance helps to do just that, taking care of that maintenance payment up front, shielding you from potential rising costs of service. From oil and filter changes to tire rotation and spark plug replacement, the costs are covered, parts and labor, using Volkswagen original parts and factory-trained technicians, ensuring optimum performance and reliability. So when the maintenance is complete, simply pick up your Volkswagen and go. No unexpected costs, because the price of your Volkswagen's factory-scheduled maintenance is included in your vehicle's regular payments. And there are options, ensuring you there's a maintenance plan that's right for your lifestyle. So, your search is over, not just for the perfect vehicle, but for peace of mind as well. Volkswagen Prepaid Maintenance. Visit your Volkswagen dealer for more details on the entire suite of Protection Plus plans.